Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I know I'm late again. I always keep making these late unboxings, but again, it is what it is. Who cares? Today I got the Lavender Galaxy S21 FE. I saw this at CES earlier this year, and I wanted to get my mom a new phone because I bought her a Note 10 for Christmas. I don't remember what Christmas, but I bought her a Note 10 for Christmas, and she broke it. So now I bought her the S21 FE 5G. So I want to go and check this thing out, see if it's worth it or not, because I got the S20 FE right now. She's been borrowing that for I don't know how long now, so I want to see how she feels about this. Anyway, y'all know what you gotta do. Let's get into it. All right, so we made it back here again to the legendary unboxing table like we always do, and let me go ahead and fix my focus. I don't know what happened there. But we got this S21 FE over here, and also shout out to CaseBorne because they actually hooked my mom up. I actually bought this thing for her for Mother's Day, and it's just now getting here, so that's crazy, ain't it? But I was asking companies on Twitter if they can help me get my mom a Mother's Day present, and here we go. But it ain't just this that I got her. I also got her an Ember mug, and those things are pretty dope. All right, so we got the S logo here in purple because I did get her the lavender color. You know, she is a female. We got 21 here in the background. We got all the icons here for the UI. Okay, whatever, cool. And then we got Galaxy S21 FE 5G at the bottom. So I got her the 128 gig because honestly, she don't really take up that much storage on her phone, so I don't think she needs 256 or whatever they come out with. And that's pretty much it around the box. So where's my unboxing knife? Because I always seem to lose this thing. Tape number 1 and tape number 2. All right, so let's go ahead and see what's up with this. So again, I haven't really seen this since I've been at CES, but let's go ahead and take this out the box real quick. And man, that thing looks decent. So it looks exactly like a S21, but we got the plastic back and all that. So let's go ahead and take this wrapping off of here real quick. And here we go. As you can see, we have our S21 FE. Yeah, she's gonna need a screen protector because I guarantee you she's gonna break it. I mean, she got these CaseBorne cases, but at the same time, she's gonna scratch it and all that. So I'm gonna be real, I really don't trust her. So I might get her one on Amazon. But yeah, this thing looks clean. You can see the borders here on the side and you can see the lavender just popping up there. That looks dope. So you do have this plastic back here, which is to be expected, but I'm pretty sure this thing actually has wireless charging too, like the S20 FE. So I don't know why they would get rid of it. So you have wireless charging and then you got reverse wireless charging. So you got wireless power share, or I'm not really sure what they call it these days, but you know what I'm getting at. So at the top of the phone, you got an earpiece, which you can't really see. So it blends in with the phone nice, and it also doubles as a speaker. So you have stereo speakers here at the bottom and at the top. You got the whole bunch there for the camera. On the left side, we got a 5G antenna. On the right side, we got a volume rockers, power button, and I think that's another 5G antenna. At the bottom, we got a SIM card slot. We got a microphone. We got a USB-C, and then again, we got our speakers. And at the top, we got another microphone. And then again, on the back, you can see that we got the same Samsung Galaxy S21 design here with the wide, ultra wide, and the telephoto. We got a flash, and then we got the Samsung logo. But the Samsung logo looks weird this year, so it kind of looks like it has a drop shadow to it. I don't know what's up with that, but you don't really feel it. Well, you do feel it, but you don't feel anything unusual. Anyway, this is the unlock one straight from Samsung.com, so let's go ahead and boot this thing up. This is going to be going on T-Mobile though, so we got the Samsung logo, and then we got Galaxy, so we don't have S20 FE or S21 FE. They used to show us the model on here and they got rid of it, and I don't know why Samsung did that, but I don't really like that. Samsung got so many phones, and I feel like that was pretty useful because I can actually see what phone it is. But I know our Google account, so we're gonna go and set this thing up and I'll get back to y'all. All right, so we got this thing all set up. So let's go and tap on finish here, and there we go. Galaxy S21 FE 5G. Look at the background. That looks pretty dope, actually. All right, so real quick, vibration mode is pretty mid on here. I ain't gonna lie, like it could be better. But I mean, at the same time, for this price point, it ain't really that bad. So I think it's the same vibration motor like you would expect in like an S10 or something. But I think she's gonna love this S21 FE. What do y'all think? Because like I said, she's coming from a Note, and to be honest, she never really used the S Pen. She used to use the S Pen a lot back when she had a Note 4, but these days she don't really use it. So she's always been Team Galaxy, which to be honest is kind of my fault. Even though I literally have my SIM card on my iPhone right now. Now let's actually go ahead and check out the two things that they put in the box. So we got the Samsung box right here. Inside the Samsung box, we also have a SIM card remover tool. And then if you look inside here, we should have a couple of things like our charger. So as you can see here, we have Type-C to Type-C. Pretty sure that's 6 foot. And then we got the user manual. So you know what we do with this. We don't throw it to the side because this is her phone. I'm not trying to do that. But just to show you where she's coming from real quick. Yeah. Not gonna lie, she is a clumsy woman, but I do love her. But the screen does actually still show something. You just have to use the S Pen in order to be able to touch the screen, which kind of sucks. So I'm gonna take this from her and I'm gonna try to see what I can do with it. Maybe I'll be able to keep it for myself. But yeah, y'all, so that's gonna be the video. Hopefully I enjoyed this, and let me know what y'all think about the S21 FE, because honestly, I ain't hear that much hype over it, especially coming from the S20 FE. Like, that had a whole bunch of hype. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe, but go and follow me on my social media at S20 Tech on Instagram and Twitter, and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. But I mean, besides that, what else is there really to say? So happy late Mother's Day, Mom, and hopefully you enjoy your phone. But thanks again to Carl from CaseBorne. Shout out to y'all, because y'all really helped my mom out, man, so respect. Y'all even got her some really good colors that she likes. I think pink is her favorite. They're not paying me to say this or to do any of this, but if you want to go and get some cases like these, don't forget to go to their website at getcaseborne.com. There you got some really good cases. Trust me, y'all won't regret it. Previously, Armadillo Tech, they changed their name to CaseBorne. They make some really dope cases. Like I said, they have a TikTok and all that where they do crazy drop tests. Go and check it out. All those links are going to be in the description below.